Who's that in the mirror?
That was fun. Can I see that again?
Who's that girl?
Welcome to
Who's that pretty girl?
everybody. Lovely house. She likes the little trees go with the curtains. It is lovely, but isn't it missing something? Let's see. For she's a jolly good monkey. For she's a jolly good monkey. For she's a jolly good monkey. Which nobody can deny. Yay! Thank you, all of you, all of my new friends. Do you really like your house? Yes, it's a beautiful house. What about the curtains? Don't you just love the curtains? Yes, they're beautiful curtains.
Are you talking to yourself in the mirror?
There's still something missing, isn't there? I know. What are you doing, little bear?
You're ruining it.
There. Your bedroom, Mitzi. Home sweet home.
Who's that girl?
Oh!
Sit up, honey.
Hey! Hello, little bear. Hello, Mitzi. What are you doing? Just climbing.
Are you bored with this? Are you bored with this? So big.
Just climbing? Come on up. We can play tag. Maybe later. I'm going swimming. Swimming? Mm-hmm. Wanna come? Maybe later. Okay. Hey, you're a good climber. It's nothing. I'm a good climber too. Come on up then. All right.
Ooh, don't punch yourself in the face. Have you had enough? Huh? Kika. Oh.
Not bad. Now try this. I can do that.
Oh, that face. Oh, look at that face. Oh. Who's that girl crying in the mirror? Who's that girl crying in the mirror?
You're supposed to swing.
Who's that girl crying in the
Try
mirror?
again.